In this video, you'll learn how to set up subcontractors in FTQ360 so you can track inspections to the subcontractor. To get started, go to Setup from the main menu and choose Subcontractor Setup Process. Click the Add button. Leave the Type as Subcontractor and enter the contractor's name. Check the Reports box if you want the contractor to receive automatic email notifications and reports, and enter the email address. When you uncheck Active, the subcontractor is hidden from the inspection process in FTQ360. You would do this for any subcontractor that is not actively working on a project. If you see the paperclip icon, you can click on that too to add documentation or credentials related to that subcontractor. Inspectors have access to these attachments right from the checklist while they are doing inspections. You also have the option of changing code to the contractor's accounting code. When you are done, click Save. The new subcontractor is in the system and can start inspecting their work now. The optional checklist and crew grids allow you to use advanced FTQ360 features. First, select the subcontractor that you want to work with. Then click Subcontractor Checklist. The grid lists checklist approved for this subcontractor. Click Add and select a checklist from the drop-down. Repeat this process for each checklist you want to approve for this subcontractor. Click Save when you are done. Now, when an inspector selects one of these checklists, this contractor will be on a short list of subcontractors that can be inspected. Keep in mind that when a checklist is linked to one or more subcontractors, the inspector can select only from those subcontractors. If you need to add a new checklist for this contractor, click the Go to Checklist Setup link. The checklist setup will open in a new browser tab. Click on Crew when you want to track inspections not just to the subcontractor, but also to a specific subcontractor's crew. Click Add and add the crew's name, usually the crew leader. Repeat this process for each crew, and click Save when you are done. Here are a few tips on setting up subcontractors. If you have company crews or departments, you can set them up in the same manner as subcontractors. Then you can use FTQ360 to inspect their work and set them up as inspectors. You can also add other organizations and stakeholders, such as architects, engineers, and owners. When they are entered as special types of subcontractors, you can allow them to inspect using FTQ360 checklist and involve them in your quality process. Follow this strategy and it will be easy to get started setting up your subcontractors and keep it as simple as possible at every stage of your quality program development.